Grade 2. How are you today? So last time we talked about the congruent figures. So we identified the congruent figures. Congruent figures have similar forms and equal measurements. So even though they are different color, but they have the same measurement and form, they are congruent. Okay, the symbol for the expression is congruent to is we write is at in this sign. So, yung may equals na merong a curve sa taas ng equal sign. So, these are the congruent. Okay, this is not congruent. So, we write it as not congruent. We write it as equals tapos curve sa taas as may slash. So, you know about this, the congruent and not congruent. Okay. Now, let's go to the patterns. Patterns are made up of sequence or made up of sequence of shapes, size, colors, object, or movement. Okay, these are the color patterns. So if we have blue heart, red, and yellow, then we back to blue. What is next? Okay, so back to blue, then red and yellow. So if we have green, orange, purple, then we back to green. So what's next? So orange, purple, then back to green, orange, purple. Okay, so these are the example of color patterns. Okay, so shape patterns. Okay, shape patterns. It is easy lang din naman kung ano yung mauuna, saan magtatapos. So, babalik lang ulit dun sa umpisang pattern niya. So, let's say we have triangle, oval, triangle. So, what's next? Oval, triangle. Then, oval, triangle ulit yan. So, another example, if we have diamond, diamond, cross, then back to diamond, then cross rather, then back to diamond. What is next? Okay, diamond, cross, cross. Okay, madali lang, di ba? So, size pattern. Size pattern, madali lang din ito. If it is small to large, so balik lang ulit sa small to large. Okay, let's say small, medium, large triangle, then back to small. So, what is next? So, syempre, medium, large triangle, then balik sa small, medium, large triangle. Okay. Next, another example, if we have a little big circle, then small circle, then big circle. What's next? Okay, small circle, big circle, then small circle, and big circle. Now, movement pattern. Okay, in a movement pattern, you need to observe how the object moves and uh, and how the object moves or how the directions move. Let's say this one, down, down, up, down. So what's next? Okay, that is down, up, then down, down, up, then down, down, up. Okay, so another example is if the arrow is goes to the left, then up, then right, then down, then left, what's next? So up, right, and down. Okay, good. How about object pattern? Object pattern, you need to observe um, how the object are in sequence. Okay, so let's see that. So example, we have dog, doll, truck, bear. So if we start again to doll, what's next? So truck and bear. How about another example is rat, kitten, and puppy. So if we back to rat, what's next? So kitten and puppy. Okay. Now kids, if the pattern or in the color pattern, if you are going to collate on the it and you need to work on the art side, we can have this one, tessellation. So if you see this, there are patterns that going to the right, there are the patterns going directions going to the left, and they are also the color pattern. So you see that if you uh, going this, or this is what you call tessellation. A tessellation is an art that produces, or you can make a patterns, the color and direction patterns, and if you do that, you make some arts. So, okay, for your activity, that's all for today. For your activity, please do your math worksheet, page 7 and page 8. So that is your activity for today. So kids, konting-konti na lang, malapit na tayong matapos. At alam ko, excited na kayo for the exam. Ayan, matatapos natin yan. Oh, for now on, yan muna. Dun sa page 7, ayan ang inyong worksheet. You will draw that comes next in each growing patterns. Okay, so that is, you need to observe how what is the pattern is in the exercise 1. On page 8, so you are create your own tessellations. So meron ng art dyan, meron ng pattern dyan, may mga shape patterns na dyan. So you will do the color pattern for your tessellations. Okay? So see you tomorrow, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.